guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing some USB hubs. USB hubs are very convenient and sometimes an essential accessory to have, but you have to look for the trustworthy products so you won't run into connectivity and wiring issues. So here I have two very good products here. One is the 5-in-1 USB 3.0 hub and the second one is the 7-in-1 USB-C hub, and both products are from Acer. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside. Alright, so let's unbox the 5-in-1 USB hub first and let's see. Alright, so what we have inside. So we have a user manual as usual, product warranty card as well. Alright, then we have the hub itself. Very simple, very straightforward product. So we have the wire, of course, this is the USB 3.0, you guys can see, and then on the side of it there are USB ports, so we will talk about all these ports, what's the power and all that, and we have the Type-C port as well. The body is plastic, which is not bad at all. Nice color at the same time, a matte finish to it. Best thing about it is quite light. So I think that's what maybe the reason of having it in a plastic body. So it's very easy to carry around. The length of the wire, right? This always have a big issue in many other devices. I'm using a one outside. I didn't bring it with me, but that one have a only very short wire, and then it just keeps crumbled here and there always. So having a good long wire, so I can plug this, for example, put this on my table, I can have all my wires here just like that, and I can always use this so I don't need to really move it around unless I want to bring it out or all that. So this is good. So let's put this on the side and then open the second one. So this one is the 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Alright, so this one also comes with the same thing, so your user manual and the warranty card as well at the same time. So there is a 12-month limited warranty. Let me check on the other one. So all the like docking stations, USB adapter, USB hubs all comes with the 12 months warranty time, so which is a very good thing. So this one is, this one have the very solid body. The shell is the aluminum body, so cold to touch. Whenever in my previous video I always say if it's cold to touch means a premium product. This one is still a decent size of the wire. So for example, put your laptop here, you put this wire here, okay, and you can just attach it like that. So with your Velcro or anything, so at least it have a decent amount. This is my problem with my current one. They don't have that much space on the wire. I can't bring it back, or I can't put it on the side or anywhere. So on the other hand side, this one have the SD and micro SD card, 5 Gbps, USB-C, and same with the USB-A as well. So this one can help you with the power delivery and for the data transfer. And on the other side, this one have the HDMI port as well, and same goes to this one as well. But this one have, if you see, have the USB-C, which we talked about. So that's the difference between this. But this one, of course, for more professional use as well at the same time. The design of this 5-in-1 USB hub is simple and practical. With 4 USB 3.0 ports, you can connect many different things like your mouse, keyboard, and even lightning controls for your headphones. And of course, it has one USB-C at the back. So this hub is especially useful for your laptops, for example, or your PCs if you don't have many ports available, USB ports to put other extra things as well. So you can just plug in and extend your capabilities in putting many other devices. For the 7-in-1 hub, the HDMI port supports 4K resolution at 30 Hz. This comes in handy if you have multiple monitors but only one HDMI port on your PC graphic card. This SD and TF memory card slots have data transfer speed of 480 megabytes per second with maximum read capacity of 1 terabyte. These two 3.0 USB and the one Type-C USB have the speed of 5 gigabytes per second. This is good if you are working with multiple external SSDs and need to quickly transfer everything everywhere all at once. This 7-in-1 hub is for the more professional consumer. If you are someone who works with cameras and media production like us, this hub is for you. So these both USB hubs are straightforward and very handy in terms of daily usage as well, and very portable. You can bring it anywhere you want to. Alright, so I hope I have covered most of the feature of these amazing products. Very useful, very handy, very portable for your daily use as well. If you guys have any questions about these products, drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply to you guys, and I will also drop the links of their website so you can check them out with all the more details and specifications. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed it, just drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.